और शक्तिकांत दास की तरफ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की जा रही है, सुनिए।
With regard to the banking sector, I had also talked about the liquidity issue which needs to be addressed. And finally, I had said that the flexible inflation targeting, the framework of flexible inflation targeting is very important, and there is always a need to, I had highlighted and stressed the importance of maintaining inflation while being mindful of the growth trajectory. These were the exact words. So in the last 6 years, it has been my endeavor to adhere to these principles which I had mentioned when I took over as the RBI governor. You would be aware that we have adopted we have been holding wide-ranging consultations on many issues. In fact, the consultative approach behind regulation, behind all decisions that we have taken in the last 6 years, the consultative approach is very much evident. In many cases, we hold face-to-face direct meetings with the stakeholders or their associations. In many cases, we release a discussion paper or a draft circular, get the comments of all the stakeholders, and then move forward. In fact, the same approach was followed with regard to the Regulation Review Authority, the RRA 2.0, where we formed the authority was within the Reserve Bank, but we formed a group of experts to advise the regulatory, the Regulation Review Authority within the RBI. So we have followed the consultative approach, and the teamwork in the Reserve Bank was perhaps, in my experience, I can say, I cannot talk about earlier days. It was perhaps, at a very high level. I got excellent cooperation from each and every member of the RBI team. Each of my colleagues, they did their best. During the trying times of COVID, even at the risk of their own safety, their personal health, whenever required, physically they all came for discussions. Only I and the deputy governors, we were coming regularly, and a few senior officers, of course. But I think that was the level of dedication we saw. It was also evident in the quarantine facility which we set up here. I have talked about it earlier, which lasted, in fact, more than 1 year, 1.5 years or so. And the entire staff and service sector, service providers had absolutely.
देखिए, आरबीआई गवर्नर के पद से आज वो पद छोड़ेंगे शक्तिकांत दास, और इससे पहले सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर एक्स पर उन्होंने पोस्ट करते हुए पोस्ट भी किया था, जिसमें उन्होंने जिक्र किया था कि अपने कार्यकाल को लेकर और पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी का भी धन्यवाद उन्होंने जताया था।